Hey friends, today we're making bright and tangy lemon shredded chicken in just 5 easy steps. First, rinse your chicken tenderloins. Start them in cold water with a splash of Shaoxing wine. Bring it up to a boil and simmer 8 to 10 minutes until they cook through. Let the chicken cool, then tear it into fine bite-sized shreds. This texture lets every strand soak up flavor. Now build the sauce: half a sliced lemon, scallions, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of light soy, a drizzle of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of dark soy, a pinch of salt, and just a little chili powder for warmth. Heat some oil until it shimmers, then pour it straight over the bowl. The hot oil wakes up all those aromatics. Smells amazing. Finally, pour the sauce over the chicken. Squeeze in the juice from the other half of the lemon. Toss until everything's glossy and you're done. Fresh, juicy, and loaded with citrus kick. Enjoy!